This is Captain Cook Lookout. The back of Cooktown, that's the Endeavour River there. Look at that, the Great Divide. Geez, it's been an awesome trip. 10 days. The weather's still a bit overcast down here, but absolutely perfect. Sort of probably around 29 to 30 degrees. Wicked. So this is only the second place that Captain Cook set foot on mainland Australia. Righto, we're doing a dead engine race down here, down from Captain Cook's Lookout in Cooktown. How many are in the race here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready?
Right, go.
Oh! Come on! Pete, Sneaky Pete's come through on the outside. Wow, Jesus, I've got the leg out. Oh. Oh, flamers, it's gone past. Oh, Sneaky Pete's done it. Bloomfield Falls, look at that, amazing. Woo. Goes left here, boys. Goes left when you get that. You'll see, keep swinging left. There's a car coming. Couple of cars coming. Hello, dude. How we going? finally caught up to the sweep riders. They're right beside me here. They've done an unreal job all week. So Scotty Pomeroy and Dave Flamer. We're on our last legs back to Palm Cove. Scotty's also a medic. Thanks, Nico. It's awesome.
Good job.
Thanks, boys.
Yeah, so we're just here.
Thanks, Dave.
Thank you, Paul.
Awesome 10 days, mate.
How good was that, buddy?
It was really good, eh?
What a ride.
Oh, yeah. Can relax now.
Bitumen's hard on the bum.
Isn't it? There's not too many here, is there?
No.
Anyway. Alright.
We just started to lose them at the end. There was people stopping everywhere. We couldn't keep an eye on them. In the end, Scotty and I said, we've just got to go.
No, they're all good.
Yeah.
You know. What's going on, little lady? Saw you hold on to some tyres.
Keeping the tyres in place.
What, you got the toolkit?
Got me a toolkit.
Well done, sweetie. Awesome. What are you working on? Serenity Rainforest Pool. Now, where are we, darling?
We are at Pepper's. What a way Maschine is taking care of us.
Oh.
This is stunning.
Day 10, look at this. This is our private
This is
pool.
what you finish off with. This is how you take care of your body after 10 days of riding cove. The Serenity slide.
Let's go up there a bit further. There's a little sprinkler. Oh, they got their own.
Yeah, I know. They get to walk through. Ours doesn't walk
Oh, that's bummer. Looks all right, doesn't it? I've filled the spa up already. We already filled the spa up in there. You got an outside spa? Oh, well, you get the stairs, we get the spa. Nice. Good way to finish, eh, Dan?
Oh, fantastic.
Eh?
Oh, amazing.
We get a bit spoilt now after one night in a tent a couple of days ago. And
Camping a couple of nights and
oh,
this.
look at this. It's crazy good.
Insane.
Yeah. Serenity Pool. Look at that. Pretty cool. This is a way to finish off a trip, isn't it, boys?
Yes.
Hey?
Yeah, we're
And we all got our clothes on,
in luxury.
haven't we?
It's a start, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a really good start. Sometimes you
Maybe on Mr. Two.
You'll still cuddle them hips, baby.
Give us a look. Give us a look at the stick.
This stick came from Bramwell Roadhouse. It's from the top of the telly track. And the stick was given to me for my, what was it?
Spirit of adventure.
Spirit of adventure.
You got wood.
In honour of Hugh. Miss you, Hugh.
Yes, we do, Hugh. Cheers, mate.
Bye.